Yo, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to monetize your YouTube channel. The first thing you need to do is go to your channel and go into YouTube Studio. Once you go here, go into monetization. Once you're here, this is the requirements you need. You need 1,000 subscribers right here, and you need 4,000 watch time. You need 4,000 watch hours on your channel. Um, so there you go, guys. These are the requirements. I already have this channel is not monetized right now, but I do have a second channel. Let me show you real quick. Alright guys, this is my second channel that's monetized. I got 3,550 subscribers right now. I got some viral videos that went viral. And yeah guys, this is what it looks like. Go into YouTube Studio, and then when I go onto videos, my videos are going to be all green, which means I'm monetized. It says right here, this video is being monetized. And if I go to monetization right here, I'm a member, channel monetization. So yeah guys, that's what it looks like. I just thought I'd show you guys how to do it. And guys, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah guys, it is, for me, the part that was hard for me was getting the subscribers. The watch hours I got pretty quick. Just keep posting, keep grinding guys. Yeah, I thought I would show you guys how to do it. I hope this video helped out. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Later.